Hi there, let's play through White Christmas together in the key of G. Feel free to review the tutorial to look at the chord progression. What I'm going to do is borrow the last two lines of the song as the intro, starting on that Saints progression. Then we're going to sing and play through the song once. We're going to go back through the chords as an instrumental just to make sure we've got those patterns down. Sing and play through it one more time, and then we'll go to the outro. All right, again, review the tutorial if you need. We're going to dive in here, starting on the second to last line, starting on G, G7, to C, C minor, close it out with G, split the bar, C, D7, back to G. Here we go. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, just like the ones I used to know, where the treetops glisten and sleigh bells in the snow. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, with every Christmas card I write. May your days be be white. Just the chords. Let's add the words back in. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, just like the ones I used to know, where the treetops glisten and children listen to sleigh Christmases be white. Nice job. Come on back, practice with me anytime. Be sure to practice it without the video too, so you really get a handle of it. And enjoy. Happy holidays.